CKS practice question 06. Create a new service account name backend SA in the existing namespace default. The SA will have the capability to list the ports inside namespace default. Then we are going to create a new port named backend port inside the default itself and mount the newly created backend SA to the port. Verify that port is able to list ports. So the port itself will have the capability to list the ports within the cluster. So what we are, as and when we are specifying a backend SA and we are assigning a specific role which has only limited capability to do certain actions within the namespace, we are restricting wherever we are specifying that SA. For example, if we are specifying inside backend port will have only those verbs available and it will not be able to do more than what we have specified within the code. I mean, within the essay or role when we create the role, right? So the intent of this question is to make sure always use backend essay when you are using something within the default namespace so that it would be a secure port and you will have more security within your cluster itself. So let's just try to create it now. It's a simple question and G create essay and name of the essay is backend open essay, right? So the name of the essay is backend essay. You can copy in case you feel that you want to go as per the question. You can always use like this. Create essay backend. Backend. So now, even if you don't specify the namespace, everything by default goes to default namespace. Now you have created the essay. You need to create a role and role binding as well. G create role, and then you can take help if you want to. It gives you what all you want to create. So let's just say code lister is uh, my role that I want to create. Name of the role or name of the role, right? Then whatever verb you want to specify, what verb you want to specify. So it should only list, right? That's what you want. Then resources, ports, that's it. And if we don't specify the namespace, it goes to default. But we can specify if you want. So G create role, code lister, verb list, resource ports, and I think we should create it. No. So namespace default. Okay. Make sure I'm putting the right name. So it has created code lister within your, default namespace. Now you need to create role binding. We create role role binding, right? So here also, every time when you are not sure of things, I mean, if you are not doing it frequently, you can always take help, like I can help. Now role binding name is um, code lister bind. Bind, whatever you want. Now, name of the cluster role you have specified. Oh, sorry. To specify after the name, you need to specify cluster role. And code lister was our role. Let me just close very quickly. So it's code lister, code hyphen lister, code hyphen lister. Now, role has been, I mean, cluster role has been specified. Now you need to make sure this service and the namespace is default and service account is backend Yes. So default backend is. I hope this is how it is going to take. It has created our role binding as well. Uh, with this, let's just go ahead and create the port. As you can see, I have this port definition that I created. Under the spec, you just need to specify service account name, and that's it. So this is a specific image that I found out on internet. I mean, I just Googled around and then because I wanted to execute that command so that my command works after I run this code as per the question. So let's just create it. G apply next. Again, port has been created with default namespace. Now let's just try to run it. This is the command that makes sure that our code is doing as we have expected out of it. So you get code. We don't need this. The test code is running and my backend code is also running. Now I'm executing the command backend code, and what it does, it's doing curl, it's checking the credentials, it is fetching the credentials, and then it is listing my codes. And then it is filtering with JQ. It's using JQ to make it readable. So let's see if it works. Yeah, so it's working and it is able to list my ports. Right. You see test code, NGIM, it is able to fetch the information. And this is actually executed within the code that we have created. And there, because service account has been mounted already, we have the authorization and we have limited our code to do this activity only. Other than this, it would not be able to do anything much. So this restricts the code. Don't just look at what it has done right now. It actually restricts the code. And this method ensures that any port that you create with service account, whatever service account you have created and the role that they have, they can only execute those actions whichever you have specified in the role. So it provides you security, it provides you a template that you can assign to multiple ports. It provides you a template for multiple service accounts that you can use. It gives you more governance on the cluster. It secures the cluster in one. Okay. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.